Hi, my name is Desmond. Today we're going to be building a Muna fire truck bike. It's a 12-inch bicycle, one of 4 models. So let's get started. First we're going to lay all the parts out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start unwrapping the bike and then we can start the build. Right, before we start building the bike, I just want to show you a little trick with the box. This is the fire truck box, which can be turned into a little fire truck. As you can see, it's got wheels on either side. It's got a little gauge on the front of the box. As you can see, there's a line. We're going to be cutting on that line, removing the section of the box, and that's where the little fireman is going to be sitting. So once this has been removed and cut, you now have your fire truck for your little fireman to sit inside. Okay, bike has been unwrapped. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to start building the bike. As you can see, 90% of the bike has already been completed for you. So what we need to do is we need to attach your seat post and your saddle, your front wheel, and your handlebars and your stem. So what we're going to be doing first, we will do the handlebars and stem. You're going to be needing a 6mm Allen key. Just pick that up there. Slide it in. Just tighten it up there. Just line it up. That's your handlebars on the bike. What we're going to be doing now is we'll turn the bike around and we'll be attaching the front wheel. You'll see there are little washers that go on either side. These little washers clip into the side of the fork just to make sure that if the wheel does come loose, the wheel doesn't fall off. So once that's tightened, we'll take a 15 spanner. Then we're going to turn the bike around. We're going to put on the seat post and saddle. Slide that in there. Line it up with the frame. As you can see, there's a quick release at the bottom that you just need to tighten on the one side. Check the pressure, if it's fine, push it down. And that's one last final touch, just to put these little safety caps on either side of the wheel. And if you need any more info on Muna bicycles, you can go to muna.co.za and you'll find everything on the website. Last little cap there. And that's your Muna bike.